Rebel, a skateboarder.
Oh my god.
So a few things you need to know about me. 1, I have never skateboarded before. 2, I struggle just to put it up on top of this little hill thing and sit down on it. 3, we're in for some fun. Queer Girl Straight Skates! What's up everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel. Queer Girl Straight Skates is normally a channel all about roller skating, reviews, tutorials, lifestyle vids, but today your girl is gonna try skateboarding. Good luck to me. So I'm gonna start by trying to just regularly skateboard, and then if I get cocky, I might try and go up or down one of these little banks, but we'll see. Am I cool? I don't know. I guess we'll find out now.
So first of all, I haven't used a skateboard in maybe 15 years and they terrify me now for some reason. But for starters, you don't have to pick up your board. Can't remember what the nose and the tail is because it's been that long, but anyways, you're gonna pick the tail, grab it, you got your board.
Yeah, you're so cool, babe.
Ah!
Nailed it.
Whoa, you're overshooting.
Okay.
Under. There you go. You don't hold a board like that.
Watch me do it really slick this time. Okay.
Alright, what are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna go on this skateboard. What do I do?
Kick. Push. Put your foot up.
Ah!
There you go. Use the truck. Yep. Harder. Oh, now you're going downhill. Put your weight on the back. Put your weight on the back.
I don't know how to stop.
Okay.
We don't know what we're doing. This is like very subtle shenanigans right now.
Bend your knees. You're going downhill, so you're going to naturally go. Now try putting your weight on the back. Your weight on the back, babe.
I can't.
You can't?
Oh God! Ah!
Okay. Now maneuver your foot. Ah! Like that. And then you pop back down.
That is ollie.
Oh, you're teaching her how to stop like that?
But it's all about shifting weight.
You're gonna look so cool. Like skate and then go to the tail like that. It's cool.
Shoot. No, I'm going backwards now.
It's okay, put your weight down, put your weight down. Okay, there you go. That's how you stop. You gotta utilize your knees. Okay. There. Yeah, see, you gotta move like that. Now when you do that, you can twist. There you go, there you go. Walk it out. Just go a little bit, a little bit. Oh no! Yep, and then keep going. And that's how you can do a sharp turn. Yep. That's how you can do a sharp turn too. I'm out of breath. Got it. There you go, there you go. Spin. Good.
I don't feel like I'm accomplishing anything.
Ooh, now you got speed, now you got speed. There you go, there you go. Yep, that's how you do the faster turn instead of just using. Where are you going, Chloe? Like, I would start even closer, but okay. Daredevil. Bend, bend, bend. And go back. Ah!
don't know. That feels.
How'd it feel?
That feels unsafe.
But you did it so good. There you go. Keep your knees up. There you go. Ah, look at you. You're getting those turns on. Go. Going downhill. You got it. You got it.
Hey!
Yes. All right. Now try to do a 180. You got it. Yes. Then you just try to swing a little bit more. It's the same thing like when you're spinning in skates where you want to look and really turn that upper body and bend your knees.
Why is this so hard?
Because your body's used to going in a completely different direction.
It's hard.
Okay, you want to try to pop a ollie?
Sure.
You're trying it already by yourself? You got it? You got it? No, you're jumping off the board. You want to go with the board. Whoa.
How do I stop? Ah!
Fall down, fall down, fall down. There you go. But then you want to, so that's the movement, but then you want to kind of jump up. There you go. Now really bring those knees up. You forgot to put the towel down. You're gonna fall. Right. Nice.
No, I'm gonna fall for sure. I don't want to do this.
You have to. You have your gear on. You have all your gear on. You do more dangerous things with your skates, trust me. You're all shaky.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I've never seen anyone do this before.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? You gotta let go of me or else you're for sure gonna fall.
Oh god, oh god.
Even lean forward.
I didn't know I was supposed to. Okay, so I have to lean forward.
Whoa! Fingers up, lean forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Lean to the side if you want to turn.
Skateboard master.
So you're gonna put your weight right there. Yep.
I've seen people do this at the skate park
Yep.
before. But that's not the side I need. I need this side.
Yep. And then you're just gonna make sure you bend your knees. And then just pop up, shift your weight to the front. Whoa! You didn't shift your weight.
Oh. I don't get it.
Yep. Yeah, keep going. Go straight and you're gonna go up that. Keep your knees bent. Turn your head the other way. Oh my god, yes! Skater girl! Nice.
And that's Rebel trying to skateboard for the first time. Only a few casualties.
That was really good though.
Thanks.
Okay, let's try to do a solid one. Ooh, nice. There you go. Let gravity take you. Bend your knees. There you go. Nice, there it is. Ooh, fancy.
So skateboarding is hard, but I feel cool. Highly recommend trying it. This is definitely lesson one of like 800 million if I want to actually learn how to skateboard. But overall, major props to skateboarders because this is not easy and I don't understand the balance. And thanks for watching me fall.
Ooh.
I cut a leaf.
You're going uphill again. Nice. Now turn. Go on your, I would have been on my heel. Go straight and then write it back down. Yep. There you go. Now do a 380. Ooh. There you go. Nice. No, be careful. How are you feeling?
I feel pretty cool. Skateboarding. Woo!
Nice. Forward.
I feel very overwhelmed right now. Lots of new different things. This is all new knowledge for me.
Nice. Spin, turn, in your head. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. Should I fly through a window?
I was trying to grab a flower and then turn around with it.
You already look so much more comfortable at it. Remember your... No. Oh, fancy.
Oh my god! Did it.
Don't get too cocky.
Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support me, you can buy things from my Etsy or you can become a Patreon. And most importantly, stick to your trade. Or queers to the cheers. Cheers to the queers. Oh.
As the skateboard's still rolling back and forth.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
It's fine.
Wait. Alternate ending.
Nope. Pop it.
That's the ending where I didn't fall.